southwestern Northumberland. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Millersburg, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Miserville, Port Trevorton, and Mount Pleasant Mills around 4:10 p.m. Creamer, Fremont, and Middleburg around 4:20 p.m. Sealands Grove, Sunbury, Hummel's Wharf, Shamokin Dam, Prattsville, and Winfield around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Liverpool, New Berlin, Freeburg, Dalmatia, Herndon, Halifax, Pillow, and Sealands Grove Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and central Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. With this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Julietta, Northumberland, Perry, and Snyder.
The 8th century for moving forward. Bound.